assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
So this problem gives us a combined mass of gold and silver, and we are heating up this gold and silver and putting it into water, and then the water will absorb all of the heat that the gold and silver is losing. And so the first thing we'll do is, since we don't know the individual masses of gold and silver, we'll call the mass of gold X and the mass of silver 14.9 minus X. Since the total is 14.9, if the mass of gold is X, the mass of silver has to be 14.9 minus X. So now we can find the heat released by the water, or the heat absorbed by the water, rather. Q equals mc delta T. The mass is going to be our 15.0 milliliters times 0.998 grams per milliliter, to convert that into grams. Then our specific heat of water, C, is 4.184 joules per gram degrees Celsius. And then our change in temperature is going to be 25 degrees Celsius minus 23.5 degrees Celsius. And so that gives us a heat of water of 93.95 joules. So this is the heat the water absorbs, and it's equivalent to the heat that the gold and silver lose. So now we can evaluate the gold and silver separately. So we'll start with the gold. And so for the gold, again, Q equals mc delta T. Our M is X, that's our mass of gold. The specific heat of gold is 0.126 joules per gram degrees Celsius. And then the delta T is 62 minus 25. Both are degrees Celsius. And that gives us 4.662x. So now we can do the same thing for silver. Q equals mc delta T equals 14.9 minus x times the specific heat of silver is 0.233 joules per gram degrees Celsius. And then we have our same delta T as with gold. And so that gives us 128.4529 minus 8.621x. So this is our mass, or our heat rather, of silver. And so now if we take our heat of gold and heat of silver and add them together, so we take 4.662x, the heat of our gold, plus the heat of our silver, 128.4529 minus 8.621x. This will equal the heat of our water, 93.95 joules. And so now we can just solve for x. So we first combine like terms. We get negative 3.959x equals negative 34.5029. And therefore x equals 8.715. So therefore, that is our mass of gold is 8.715 grams, and our mass of silver is 14.9 grams minus 8.715 grams, or 6.185 grams. So that's our mass of silver, and this is our mass of gold.